guys, I'm back for today. I had basically 3 stops that I was going to make today, but this video just shows one of them. The first thing I went and did this morning is I got a signed proposal and a check for a system I'm going to convert to a 2-zone system. So I'm going to add a zone panel, dampers, etc. So there's nothing real interesting to show you there. And then I went out to this tiny home to fix a drain that wasn't draining, and it's because they use that crappy plastic corrugated tubing, and it's inside the wall and it's kinked somewhere, so it was backing up. So the video will show you what I did for the fix on that. And then this afternoon I got a gentleman that I'm going to go out to that his compressor is tripping the breaker whenever it gets real hot. So it's not real hot today, but I should be able to see some warning signs on why it's doing that. It might just be a weak breaker or something. I don't know, but we'll go out there and figure that out. I'll save that video maybe for another day. But I finished up, so that AC that I installed on Saturday, the one I went and finished yesterday, that I got their air going on Saturday, finished yesterday. That was one of the jobs where this large company over here in the red trucks in Central Oregon has been trying to screw people over. So I just want to show you guys the final interaction between me and the customer, just to show you guys how I closed this out. So they ended up financing the project, so there's some talk about that here. I'm not going to name any names on anything here. I'm just going to read it, and I'll block out certain information that you don't need to see. But I got the transcript right here. So oh, she made a comment yesterday after I finished about her husband accidentally called me Jeff, and she wanted to apologize. It happens. And I just said, no worries, all is good 100%. I'm going to send you the completion form for you to sign for the financing. That way she signs that, and then that starts the 24 to 48 hour clock of me getting paid. That's how this financing company does it. I work with about 3 or 4 different financing companies, and this one, they don't pay me anything up front. I do the project, and then they pay me a day or 2 after I'm done. So anyway, she says, okay, sounds good. Hey, the whole inspection thing, is that something we set up, or do we know when they come out? Question mark. We need to finish those walls up in our spare time, question mark, and we'll need to figure out a way to go around your beautiful work. That was that duct run that I added. I would just box it in or just leave it. It'll probably get smashed over time if they don't. I think there's somebody here. Hold on a second. All right, that was the good kind of distraction. So let me show you. Santa Claus came today. Look what came. My M18 lawnmower, push mower. I got my big Husqvarna, like I was saying, but I can't get it into some tight spots, so this will help clean up the edges. It runs off of the two 12-amp batteries, so this comes with 2 12-amp batteries, a rapid charger to go with it, which I got lots of chargers, but hey, you can never have too many chargers and batteries for your Milwaukee stuff. So I got that bad boy, which I love. And then I also got my my M18 trimmer, string trimmer, 16-inch. And then I also got the edger attachment that goes with it. It just quick locks onto here, so that it comes off right there, and you can put that piece on. So Merry Christmas to me. All right, back to this deal here. I was talking about the customer. So where did I leave off? I can't remember. Let's just start from the top here. So anyway, I said, no worries, all is good and 100%. I'm going to be sending you a completion form for the financing. Then she says, okay, sounds good. Hey, the whole inspection thing, is that something we set up, or do we know when they come out? Question mark. We need to finish those walls up. We'll figure out a way to go around your beautiful work. Might contact you later in that for ideas. Sure, no problem. I appreciate your fast and efficient and honest work. Let me know if you'd like a review. And this is what I sent to the other company. So she told me what she sent to to the company that came out originally. I think I told you guys in another video. They didn't really look at anything, just threw a large number at her. Go find that video if you want to know the specifics of that. Sorry, I'm excited about my Milwaukee stuff. And then she goes, oh, about the inspection. So I responded. I said, we got 6 months to get the inspection done. So they got that room in their garage that really isn't code. So I told her, try to get the room done and have a lock on that door. Just let me know when you're comfortable having the inspection done, and I'll call it in for whatever day you prefer, Monday through Friday, 8 to 4. Someone would need to stay and wait the day of until they arrive. And then here's what she sent to the other company. She said, hello, my name is blah, blah, blah. That's the salesperson for the company. I am your project advisor with blank heating and air. I would like to touch base with you regarding the AC quote you had with us on May 30th. I wanted to see if you had any questions regarding the options that our saleswoman, oh sorry, the person that was there was the man that sent this is the manager, and then regarding the options that our salesperson had provided. You can reach me at blah blah blah. Thank you for your time today. Warm and cool regards, the sales manager. So then she wrote, thank you. We went with someone else who did not try to rip us off by quoting things we already had here and did not need to have extras or put new ones in, as the home is 6 months old. She also came in and immediately used our bathroom, which is cool, except seems a little unprofessional for such a high-end company, in quotation marks. She said maybe if she had looked at our actual furnace to see we already had two of the things she tried to put in the quote, including a brand new filter and thermostat. So $14,200? Nah. Thanks anyway, and we will definitely share our experience. Have a good day, sales manager. Thanks for reaching out. And then they responded, I'm sorry to hear about your experience. We'll be passing this on to our sales manager for immediate coaching. We will take this seriously. Thank you, project advisor, I guess is what she's going by. And then, let's see, so she said, I don't know why her stuff's not showing up here, but anyway, she said, oh, she just said, okay, will do, to my last thing I said. Sorry about the confusion here. It's all printed out on a notepad, so it's not the actual like a screenshot. And then I'm responding to what she said about that other company. I said, harsh, I said, but I guess when you do business like that, it is to be expected. Smiley face. You should have that email from my finance company now. Thanks so much. So another happy customer. I just wanted to share that with you guys real quick. And anyway, so let's get on with the video where I come and fix this drain. Strangely enough, and I don't even understand it, is I was the fourth company to come out and look at this simple drain line fix. And 2 out of the 3 said that they wouldn't work on it because of the brand it is. All we're trying to do, guys, is get water to go downhill. We're not trying to split an atom here. So without further ado, here's the video, and have a nice day, guys. All right, guys, call number 1 here. This is a Dial brand ductless, and apparently they screwed up the drain. So I'm going to figure out what's going on here and how to fix it for them. Let me show you the outdoor unit. So this goes, it's inside the wall and comes down like that. So we'll have to see what they did. Looks like it popped, the shell and everything pops up, just like a Mitsubishi or a Daikin or any of the others. So should be an easy fix. I probably have to run to the hardware store and get some parts though. Let me show you the outdoor unit. There's the outdoor unit, kind of a fancy little tiny home there. They put a one of the outdoor Renais on it. Huh, pretty cool. Dial. I wonder who makes these. All right, guys, I got the shell off of this, and I'm looking at that drain. I don't see anything wrong with that. Why is this thing leaking? Huh. Let's do this. I'm gonna put some water in this and see what happens. See anything wrong with that? Oh, it looks fine to me. It's even going down. something else going on here. Look at that shit. Make it easy to pour water into these drain pans. I don't know why nobody wanted to work on this for him. I mean, it's nothing. They made it sound like it was a huge leak. They got a little bowl underneath it. Alright guys, people blow things out of proportion because they don't know what they're looking at. We got a little bit of a drop right here by this hose clamp. I think they just cracked it. Yeah, you can see. I think they put that hose clamp on too tight. This thing drains fine. It's just out of the outlet there. Ain't nothing wrong with this. I'll fix that clamp, no problem. Okay guys, when I took it off, this hose was full. It's got plenty of slope here because where it drains from is way up here and it exits down here. We got a problem down in the run somewhere, so yeah, I don't know what to tell them on this. I bet this line got kinked somewhere. Alright guys, so we have no issue in the unit or how it's connected here. We got this hose backing up, so it's either smashed in there somewhere or some crap got in there. I am getting water to come out on the ground down there, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to hook my vacuum up outside. Now I'm going to suck whatever I can out of this and see if I can get it to free up maybe. But there's no reason for me to repipe this. If it keeps doing this, I'm going to have to drill outside and run a piece of PVC over or something. I'll have to okay it with the owner first, of course. But that's the only way I can see to fix this properly. I'm going to try the old nitro first. Blow this guy out. See what we can get. See what we can do. Alright guys, homeowner's son came over. So what I ended up doing was I ended up plugging off this side and drilling it out and having it run on that side, just because the line set and everything was over here. It'd be hard to drill out there. So we got it running out into PVC out there. Let me show you what I did there to fix it. And they're just going to have to paint it if they want it to match the outside of the building. So if you look there, I just have the corrugated sticking through the wall, and then I reamed out my 3/4 PVC. It sticks in a couple inches. Got good slope there all the way down. Strapped a few times. Good to go. Let's get on out of here. Another happy customer. Alright guys, so people are really annoying the heck out of me. It's a little tiny home property, so you kind of know the type of people that are there. They're very worried that you're going to not do something right for them. They're very distrusting, like usual, those type of people. Every car that was parked there said had a picture of alligator, like an alligator sticker that said "Eat racists." Give me a break. Probably shouldn't have shown them my Trump coffee cup then, assholes. I don't even think that way. I just don't get these people, you know? I just don't get them. Why? They're the hateful ones, and they want to act like they're not hateful. They're hateful, man. I gotta make sure I'm not going the wrong way here. I'll be right back. I'm gonna make a wrong turn somewhere. Alright guys, so yeah, I mean, these people it just seems like they're so distrusting and everything because they're so used to screwing each other over that they think that any contractor that goes onto their property is going to do the wrong thing for them. I mean, they wasted a bunch of my time. I said the same thing over like 50 times. I'm going to do what's right for you. The only way you're going to get this fixed is running this PVC outside. And so then they have their little son come over in his rainbow hat. It's got rainbow stripes on it. And I'm like, well, honestly, if he tells me I can't do it, then you guys aren't going to get it fixed. It's the only way to fix it. So I just talked to him. I said, hey, you want it fixed? let's quit talking about it. I'm gonna start doing this. I got other calls to do, and he got out of my hair and I got it done. So yeah, these people, man, I don't know. I'm not like I said, I don't really ever want to get political on this channel, but man, these people just they just kill me, man. They just kill me. Ugh. Just let me do my job. I'm not going to screw you over, okay? I'm going to make sure it's done right, and I'm going to make sure I fix it. So I'll leave it at that. I'm going to go pick up that circuit board for that carrier heat pump I was on last week. I'm going to go fix it next week, and then I got an afternoon call that I might get some footage of. I think the guy's going to be over my shoulder, so I may not. But if this is the end of the video, thanks for watching, and hit that like and subscribe button.